Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all mailing list. I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe and get rid of all the unwanted newsletters from your inbox. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, open your favorite browser and go to this website, leavemealone.app. I will leave a link in the description, and click on Start Unsubscribing for free. And here, just enter your email address and click on Next. Create a password for this website and click on Sign Up. And now it will send you a verification code to your email. Open a new tab and access your email from here. Here is our email. Just copy paste this code or click on confirm email address. If you click on confirm email address, this will open a new tab. Our email is verified. Now it's time to connect our email account so we can start unsubscribing. To enable this, just click here and it will open a new tab and take you to Gmail settings. And here in IMAP access, make sure you change this to enable IMAP and click on Save Changes. Now close this window and go back, click on I have completed step 1. Now the step 2 is to enable two-factor authentication. Now if you haven't set up two-step verification for your account, you can do it from here, or you have to do it in order to go to the next step. Let me complete this. And the last step is to generate app password for this website. You can click on here and this will open a new tab where you can generate the app password. It will ask you to sign in. Select the account you want to sign in from and enter the password and click on Next. Select the app as Mail and select the device as Windows and click on Generate. This will generate a secret passcode. Copy it from here and go back to the previous tab and paste it over here and click on Connect Account. Now our account is connected with this app. You can connect another account or click on Continue to Next Step. And over here you can select the language you speak. For this video demonstration, it will be obviously English itself, and then it will ask you what to do with the emails after you unsubscribe. You can keep all the settings as same and click on Go to Next Step. And this will start searching for all the newsletters and unwanted emails in your mailbox. And after it is completed, just click on Start Cleaning. And start unsubscribing from here. With a free account, you get 5 credits to unsubscribe. If you want more, you have to buy credits. This website is not free. So let's move on to the free option, the free website we have. Open a new tab and type unroll.me. And from the results, select the first option. And click on Get Started. And then click on Sign in using Gmail. This will give you a privacy warning. Click on I accept. And now choose the account you want to sign in with. And now let's create a password. Click on Create Password and sign in using your Google account. Select the app type as Mail and the device as Windows computer. and then just copy this passcode, go back and click on continue. Now enter your 16-digit Google app password here and click on continue again. Now we have logged into this website, and it has already found 91 email subscriptions. Here on the top you have all these options. You can also see the email newsletters that you have unsubscribed. If you click on roll up, you can add all these emails to the roll up. And to unsubscribe from newsletters, just scroll down and you should see all your newsletters in an alphabetic manner. Just click on the unsubscribe button on the right, and this will right away unsubscribe you from this newsletter. Isn't it easy and simple than the last one I showed you? Do let me know in the comments down below. So go on and unsubscribe from all the emails that you don't want to receive. So the best thing about this website is it's free, and you can also see all your unsubscribed newsletters as well. So if you want more videos on WordPress, cPanel and online marketing, you can explore my channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.